To subscribe is free. To subscribe yet.
Again?
See again.
You drink again? Where you come from? Where you come from?
Give me a little loving. Let her forgive me. Answer before.
Hey, look at the man. Me say where you come from? And that me ask you.
You know what I'm saying? Right now, no, mama here where I come from because she called her auntie and say she hear too much about the fact say hey brother them not live good. So she had talked to him but he never go good. Nah, like he never go good.
What do you mean it not go good?
Yeah, because the two boys them you don't know one to them just at it. It's like one attack, this one attack button, that one there. It's like chaos. So no conversation can go. I say Mama is just one sweet lady. So I'm telling you, so yeah, Frandy.
Me not there, me a cook.
Cook what?
And me just sit up and say me go drink this. Put it for me.
Without me?
What you mean by without you? Then if you can't make a do, pull it something for me. Because when you there with a drink, you know, remember say, you go come in and make me a drink one like a sorry beer. Because you not drink the hard rum. You know, business about me. If me not buy them, me not get nothing for drink, you know.
That you say? I'm going to taste and see if it's spoiled. Yeah?
Yeah, taste not say spoil. I don't know what it is spoil. Think yes, man. Give me, man.
Yeah, alright,
Alright.
Get out. Cheers, me girl.
I need to talk to you now because me not understand. My brother, why
Hey!
long?
Yeah, mama, me can't take it nice, me can't. But what is it? What you call?
But look here, the truth of the matter is my brother. We have to learn to live in love, not because we not the same mother, you know, but the children not the same father. So why I can't cooperate? When me not see the way the jealousy for? If one have money, the next one jealous. We not wake up, we not brother. We not have to learn to live loving. We not have to.
At some point in life, I have to live loving. So yeah, give me some loving.
If you start from now.
Why if you start from now with me? He's a person when we realize, you know, really work out with family. Cheers again, girl. So that's why I see you. And you give me meeting, you know. Me know say, are you the one? Even though me know Travis down in your whole enough time. And yes, you laugh.
You're mad?
Me know.
But enter your junk now. Put on this guy, you may have to get serious now. Enter your junk, you keep up back arms house.
Oh, you love our Travis here?
Me never go watch Travis here.
You laugh.
Travis not your brother.
True story, my brother. You see that my brother name? Travis, everything you see me call him Travis. Oh, Travis.
Your
I
brother.
want to understand that. You think you know?
No, Jesus.
Okay,
Your brother Travis.
Yeah, stop. You stop over Travis here?
Me not go over Travis here.
Yeah, go stop.
Me always see man call to him. Look here now. Me way older than Travis. So you think me I do Travis?
Yeah, you say you want a fetish and you love young man. And
Me not love
yeah,
no
just
young man.
start.
Me not love young man. Me would pick up you. Me not pick up somebody younger than you.
No, you pick up me for me look money. And you know, so me have a little trust fund for them. I say, Mama call me and she boy, she don't want to go dead left. You know, you say we have fight over money and things and the house and things. So just tell me straight up, you ever done with Travis?
Look here. I'm being serious and frank now. Stop accuse me of things you don't say and we don't know about. Why you always do that? Ain't you come in a junk and be a foolish keep up? Wake up, man, and let me talk to you. And be a foolish keep up. You cannot be a son. Ever been to the police? When you know something when a junk you call Travis name?
So every day I'm drunk, every day Travis name.
Every day because you not stop drinking.
You gotta have your foolishness.
You know what the forward?
But you know?
Stop be foolish, man.
I saw Travis drinking there, man.
I serious around with you.
Travis love ramping. He love ramping.
Travis say you're pretty too, chill.
Hey! Me say, talk the truth.
Talk is truth.
Alright, so why I wanna always have a long conversation?
Oh, Jesus, you don't know. Hello.
And then, which part on the talk is always in the bedroom?
You must be
You
crazy.
can't talk about, you miss crazy. You take me a camera and if you watch a girl, you see you girl, you see you? Eh?
Me.
Rough.
You look like somebody else you talk about. Me. Me when they are so every day when you gonna brown bar, you gone, you brother them they are both and are fighting and whatever. You can't believe now, me. You look like constantly if you constantly accuse me if I go left the relationship, yeah?
You left the relationship. Look what like I said, left my girl. Me waiting for the day. You go out and left key and walk out my career and fall. Your sister got a sure sign. You better realize it.
I truly love it, that's a mistake.
Love me?
Mm-hmm.
Are you loving for Joe?
Of course.
What part of me love?
If I never love him, I wouldn't stay here, so.
A shelter you take over your sabon love.
Only for disrespect me get to know.
Disrespect?
Only for disrespect you disrespect me with that woman there. Tell me no know. Watch her. Come, I'm gonna set my setting. That's all. You see this man here?
Ramens.
Me nah go no Robins come blue body dinner in the
Never
kitchen.
say Ramens, but say Ramens.
Me nah go no Robins. So I'm to the dinner in the kitchen. Hello. And that me can't even have a civilized conversation with you. Yes, please.
But you see, that's why you know. You realize say with TV now, come have a problem. Eh?
So that means you have to tell me say you alone feel comfortable in a relationship, yeah? And you alone feel comfortable. Me feel just unhappy so. And they have a cuss say, me go outside, go and talk to people.
Every day talk to Travis.
Fix the TV and move out talk to Travis.
TV blanco, cause come here.
Look here now, me can't bother hear your foolishness now. Look here now, me can't bother hear your foolishness. You see when you wake up and sober, I'll have a conversation with you.
How much conversation? I want a sex station. Because I be a vexation.
You must have started that. I think you know, say, but just there, I say, oh, me involved.
For me, involved. You know, me involved. I tell you.
You say every day, me chat.
So,
And me chat in a big
so you chat them, so me can't chat. You want to tell me?
I'm not saying nothing on them liquor. Why we can't live good? Eh? Why we can't live good? Every day I see people with the
Why
try.
you want to live good?
They want to know, brother. What do you mean, oh, my move?
Yeah, move strong.
Come on, man.
When me come go.
The man just say, me,
Man asleep. We are talk about the man and the man asleep.
Look here, no,
Don't
no.
remember
Don't tell me
the
the matter about him come and sleep. Him said, yes, I'm going to that side.
So, you know like it?
I made your day stop it.
So, you know like it?
No.
You know like it again?
I feel like it's a me, brother, woman. You know, there's something seriously wrong with you, no? You sure there's something wrong with you?
Nah, I gotta put the children up on one. I always have meds that are far and about.
Thanks, you come back. Remember me, brother, woman.
But then I go on still. If something for go on, I don't know.
Where you come over here?
All up here.
You don't see me tonight, me check out that day. So you come
Listen,
over
I
here.
don't care. Go look for you again.
You think you're going to make your brother do me nothing?
I'm a brother for you, son. You idea, man. I'm there. My brother over there. Or when my brother think him over there.
Stop.
Stop what?
You need to stop on the side
Stop
table.
what?
Because
Stop
remember
and
my
fight
brother,
me
you know?
like that. Oi. My brother them, but me not too light them, you know.
Why you don't
Yeah,
like
man,
them?
corrupt, me not like nobody.
So if you don't like your brother, me, I don't like?
It's a fact, man. That you know you're different energy, you know. For real. What you say?
Me send nothing, because guess what?
No one
Me
say
and
that.
your
Say
brother
that.
there.
So yeah,
Me
so that's
can't-
one question. Why you ring that in my ears so every minute? Me
Okay.
and your brother dead. Me and your brother. Don't tell me that. Me know what ask that. Me know that already. Where you
I have to remind you.
No, no remind me. Never ask a reminder. Me never set so a reminder on my phone. Say me do want a reminder. I check my phone. Me no want a reminder. You want?
This, stop it. Can you me tell you, stop saying that.
You take time to suppose you don't know how you're running. But you take time.
Me must send my camera them in the house, so him eventually will know say you come here. What you think him always ask me and chat?
But you not see me around so we don't know. Because I'm not around here. So
You don't know your brother?
know yourself, man. You know when I come to my hand back. But you guys are too grey. I don't know, sir. No way. For real.
Why do? Why am
Because I just know I'm agree with him. I feel like not agree with him. And you can't make me agree with him, but you want agree with if you want that to happen still. You know? Yeah.
Nah, go work, but
This is the one for your shot. Clouds. Them want to
bye.
Bye.
Go on for your brother. We go.
No,
Yeah.
wait, man. No, wait.
I had trouble. Oh, you must have drink, you know. You didn't see the drink.
No.
Eh?
No.
So why you say now? No. Okay, come over here, yard.
Please.
You see? Alright, tomorrow. Me come up, me talk to you tomorrow.
No, but why tomorrow when we can't talk to you? No, I'm done
You
this.
come talk.
You know, must see me tomorrow. Tomorrow, I have one mission to do, but no more talk to you.
Me come talk to me about.
So,
Talk them.
they don't finish. So, it's anything else you want to do.
My brother.
Me say if you're in a rush, and that me answer. Never ask if my brother will be close.
And see if you break up
And my
now.
brother that done my brother, when you go to do.
See if you break up now. You remember? You want. So, you know what I want. And see that so. You just got away now.
You just start moving that gun already. Oi.
Talk to me, me go. No, can't.
Stop moving. You know, see I'm moving hard right now. You're on for real. You're on, but I know I'm on first still. What you know? Yeah, we catch up. We catch up.
Yeah, me see you. this man, why man is do this? And him know me and brother involved. Ah, you good fan for junk and come here come sleep. Get up, man.
I dream of
3-7.
It's something we get some dream where, you know, you remember the last part and you forget the first part. The first part, I don't remember. The last part is when, you know, you're on the road I walk and it's my teeth, my slippers there. I have my foot while me I walk. And I said, what kind of dream that?
That me want to know.
Yeah? Tell me, if I get a dream,
What the teeth is, why you walk?
why me I walk and I wear my teeth, my slippers?
No, son.
I'm going to say still. You know, life says, that's what life says. I'm going to
So you now go wash off and sit down.
wash off your backside.
I'm going to eat your dinner.
If you can say I'm good, this man.
Yeah, but you three babies man, you go run bar one day, so run bar. They are both on our so you be this morning.
Pepsi that?
Kick your lamb, go watch. Watch out.
The Pepsi that? I Pepsi that. Dance now.
The Pepsi in the fridge.
It's not fridge.
Me watch look soap opera on my phone. I want to go buy the TV.
Which TV?
When me can get for watch my little program then.
Me buy TV, I gotta stop chat. Me love when I chat when I put me to bed. You realize I put to bed?
And then me put it to bed.
Your mom.
I really never put it to bed. Me.
No, I never can put my wife that. You know me? No man can put me to bed.
You want the Pepsi?
Basically, where is it now?
Stay. Drink your Pepsi and go wash off and then me come now.
We can't go be in the box. Oh, yeah.
Me soon come bathe you. Me a come. You want Pepsi?
Where looks it?
Me just want to ask you another guy team.
Which
When
man?
we in California never come home. And that's the thing with the play card with people in California don't answer.
What I say now is, they can't forget all of that and just go stand for the future. No, in present.
How are your future again?
In present, you want, you're gonna pocket?
What do I?
You keep on cigarette.
Give me a smoke. What do you mean by think what a cigarette then?
Yeah, tricks like you tell you smoke. Are you keeping cigarette with Travis? Eh? Oh, cigarette them there!
You think I'm about Travis?
No, so
Anyway,
so make it look some mistake. You have to Travis.
can you just come here?
What? Come away! I'll come do it.
They are chat to me.
So I have to take a cigarette from my pocket?
Me no.
I can take out the key.
No. They in the kitchen.
So I'm going to the kitchen attack?
Me in the kitchen and I see him come in and I say, wow.
Oh,
So I say, when you come in here, when you there here? Him said him can't come to my brother's house again.
So you tickle your inside as he always does.
As he come and that till down, I say, stop that.
You smile, not sure you
I
like
tell him,
it.
no, I'm going to tell him to stop it.
You like it.
I ask him, say, why? You know, always a fight and so you don't like each other. Why?
You know what? You know what? Say we're going to go for a little
No. You don't just come in here. Come, hey.
oh, yeah, touch. We have you. Oh, easy, man. Easy, man. Go easy, man. You have a business right now.
You can't hardly go and you go talk about cigarettes.
Oh, yeah.
Me go buy this. Give me money. I'm going to buy cigarettes.
What is the rest of this?
Sit down.
Oh,
Give me money. I'm going to buy this cigarette for you.
look at that going.
I'm not come and say for buying them something for you. Come and you don't like them something there.
Come on, yeah, I did, yeah.
I go buy it. Come in and want you go through.
Take out your shirt. Take out your shirt.
Take out your shirt. And go bed.
No, I have a bit. One camera. I can't cuss a bad word and I can't cuss some bump. Alright, I take out my shirt and your father.
Yeah,
Say-
I'm going to buy this cigarette for you and come back.
Take out my shirt to me,
And make sure. Look here now, and make sure you don't come out of the house. Make your shirt stay, I'm sorry. Make your shirt stay if you can. See the seriously wrong with you now. That's even top drink, and you don't know yourself. No, I'm not take it off. Give it that one. One go back. Make up like this cigarette and come back.
Look up your mind, man. If you see the forget about all for them.
If you sit down.
Huh?
If you sit
Look
down.
at the
Sit down. I'm coming.
No, come.
They can buy the cigarette and come back.
Buy me
Because
cigarette.
I'm be nice in the place.
Buy me cigarette.
And that's why I tell you to stop them so because next door neighbor can't out the door talk but you can't hear no other man when him drunk. You're my baby from that place.
I'm gonna tell you this. Shut your beak. Shut your beak, yes? Go ahead and buy me cigarette.
I'm for buy.
I'm gonna buy the from Chinaman. Chinaman cigarette fake. You make me cough in a rock store.
So which one buy the cigarette?
Go on.
It don't make no sense. You can't even keep a steady conversation.
Go on.
Right now, my situation right now, like a stick upon me here, you know. Right now, it is too long in my yard. You say I do 3 days now, a 4 day pass. You say I can't work.
I don't understand you. Why every time we come here, yard, you always have a time for me left? Like,
I don't really know
it's
the
like
time.
we're not in a relationship. Every minute we in, we out, we in. Make up your mind. We in
Alright.
a relationship or we not in a one relationship?
Yes, we are in a relationship, but you have to understand the tactic and the logic. Remember, say me a man, you know, you work hard, and if me not work, oh you go eat, oh me I go eat. You go date for hungry, me I go date for hungry. You love TikTok, you love Facebook, you love Instagram. Every minute you on TikTok, say me not talk to nobody on the phone, you're not going to take me serious. They gonna take me as a joker and you in the background.
You don't go one side
No man, me need look at privacy. You don't know my status already, man. You know I'm a criminal and bandit, everything in a one man. You don't know? Every little thing I'm here, you're not going to jump the wall, jump this, jump that.
I don't mean make your life sad.
I understand, I'm not salt, it's salt. I the book on my pick. I choose a wrong book, what me have to live up to it.
Listen to me. I'm not ready to go yet because I'm up a yard boring.
America, you have to go home. You have to touch the street. If you not touch the street, oh you go eat, or you survive. Or you put on ears and nails and all of these things. You love fashion, you know, you love style. So what me I go do? I have to go there go hunt for you. I don't want you to go to a next man and say you're rare.
But I'm not going to no next
No,
man. That's
I
why
show
I
you.
me stay
You say woman is still like this. If you can't afford one thing, you never say you go do it, you know. Just show what woman style. If you can't afford one thing, you want to go to and you can get the benefit. I'm not really want to go after next month for the next thing. That's why I've been doing this for me and you.
Well, I understand that you know it.
Mark, when you know some love you, Mark, I'm not a girl, I'm not a girl, no lie. You know some ever have me struck for me. Ever, alright, I'm not having to me text checking out. I take it from nobody.
I know that, but I just want to stay around you. At least I feel more comfortable.
Mark, I know you feel comfortable, but you just understand the thing, which is, we can't have you there around me all along. I mean, not do no work. You say there around me, you know, I not do no put in no work, you know. Look, money in my bank account, I'm done already, you know. Like me, I want cakes, you know, I want to eat no rice, you know, I want no flour.
Where that I go?
You see me?
Yeah,
Same thing.
fast.
This is like this, I try to show you.
Check.
Sister, you alright?
Yeah, me there.
How you look, sir? Where you go?
No, cigarette me there for you.
Cigarette?
You know, start to them me there talk about you know.
What you say?
If you don't say,
Eh,
no want to live good and start the phone.
Why? Go live good now, but you know, Mama, I'm selling and say, you know, I put my name on the wheel. You understand? See the wheel there, the salon there. Now one thing, man, more Mama really put my name on the piece of wheel there. You see me? But right now, me and my brother, I'm not really black piece of life, piece of war. Buckle and stone and thing, this and that. When money will load, I got things that one. You know what I mean?
Why?
I don't know one to the big brother. He my idiot, he my junkie. The next one stress him and girl is and the girl want to want the money. You understand? Me a bad man, I do road. If a boy play me, go listen to my face, and that's my road. You understand? Me a acted one. But me not really pray, you know. Because me no mix and me no mingle. I show my grandmother me can't see me as right now. You understand? Yo, hold this a man. I'm going to pray me and provide no prayer for me again.
Thanks.
Your money welcome.
Trust me, you saved me the walk in. And then, me a fear look every corner if me see somebody when know me. Come here, you know me, I come to church.
I mean, man, I know you're baptized, man, at 7th Day Adventist, man. I know, man.
And through your brother, him, I don't know what happened to him. So, in a right mind, and I get up. He can't walk in out top, I'm going to buy stuff. So, I don't want him to come out. I just say, alright, I'm going to buy it. Even though you know, I'm going to buy them stuff here. But, thanks anyway.
Yeah, man, thank God for seeing and going to see.
So, I go back down on the yard.
Yeah, man, them day will have one reason to see more. You know what I mean?
Alright, your girlfriend.
Eh? Well, you know, man, yes. I'm married soon.
Alright.
That's one reason. You know?
Alright, take care.
Yeah, man. I know that you know. Man, chat. Differently. So, you say I go down.
You want something for home?
So, you get to get the clothes and something. I'm just saying I want to go in America. Oh, God, I'm just saying I want to go. That's where you go. That's where you go and you love a man. You love a man to your heart, girl. Boy. Love is a serious thing, you know. Love make you kill, you know.
That's true.
And love make you hate. So you can't mess love make you hate. You have to love me. And I love you too. So get the things I'm gonna follow you about here, sir.
Alright.
Yes. I'm free I know can do what I want to do. I mean, no want nobody to back up my foot like a scandal bag. Free, like a bird in the sky. Yes, sir.
Anything but right to say, I know where you're from. You know, we can come now, we can move, because we're coming 19 man. See, cigarette here. You're something there now. You're good now.
Yeah.
You feel alright?
I mean, say feel like I'm alright. Don't feel alright.
I mean, if you're alright, that means.
Listen, me alright. I'm alright. Are you alright? Are you know smoke on the first time? If you don't experience life with me, you do. You don't want somebody we just where's cigarette? Give me cigarette. Yes.
What's your? My turn over I sent that to you.
I'm the body.
And because of you buy that, I need to mash it up. When you gonna stop them life, you come to church with me.
Tomorrow morning.
Every night of that you say.
I said, you're going to be
Every night.
I'm going to be
Me ask a question.
What kind of question you asking?
When you gonna stop the life, you come to church with me.
I said tomorrow.
Every night that you tell me. And the church people must say, oh, me have husband and I never see you come to church yet. Stop dirty life, man.
Remember I said, until I said, so when we live together, allow me to be me, and me allow you to be you. So you allow me to be me, and maybe because you see I drink, you know. Them your church sister don't see I drink rum now.
Me not drink no rum, I drink one little sorry beer. Me not drink rum.
One nice sorry beer.
I just 2% of alcohol. Me not get drunk, I don't know myself.
What time?
And then road I be a problem.
What time?
And I fight with my brother them.
I want to sit
You
down.
see me when I sitting there?
A rum night.
But the Bible never said that as long as you drink and not drunk. That's what the Bible say. So nothing wrong if you consume a little bit of alcohol. As long as you don't drunk or you don't know yourself. And that's why you always are the tired of the embarrassment.
So you say I know myself? Me know myself.
Stop it, take your time.
Over years now, me know myself. What you talking about?
Take your time and talk. Because the people over next door hear you.
Then I hear you too. I think I'm on mouth a chat. Hmm?
You can't live so every day and you're not going to stop.
Let me tell you tomorrow.
Every night that you say.
Yeah, one day.
When I wake up in the morning and I say, come, make we pray and go to church. You tell me about.
Take off your shirt off me, man.
Yeah, take off
Take off your shirt off me.
Yeah, when you go in the bathroom, take off your shirt. Me nah, take off your shirt, guys.
You see your corruption.
Come, you're ready for be there or not?
You What kind of life make me turn out to be vocalist like this and dairy corruption?
Then who make you what
What
this?
kind of corruption is that?
Then who make you what this?
What kind of corruption is that?
Come. Come, man.
Oh,
Come, come
you
here.
know, since I'm coming around, we have a sorry here. You think I cook every day? Because me a drink rum and I never feel say no.
You're already coming here like this. So
No, we walk steady. We have a left me.
Come. But now go with the me away from you.
We jump here now.
No, you must be mad.
We jump here now.
You cannot care for my back. Me tell you me over here back.
I
Come.
broke this back and take me a donkey. Hey, you get it there.
Oh, so me a donkey.
Come
Yeah, go on, me a go. Go on, me a go.
Sister in law. You look good, you know? Look at you. How you seeing the boy? The brother. How you seeing him?
What do you mean when you see my brother?
Out some question, I want question me have saying if you move say.
Hey! Don't come in a relationship, but when I see my boy,
Nah, like you look good too.
oh, you can't look me?
Me never tell you say no want you. Me just say look, me can't look.
Don't look for me like that.
Yeah,
Because I'm your brother woman.
You tell me about my brother. I think my business about them.
You're supposed to business about them because you and them have blood.
Aye, only if you know. Me not too like people, you know, not even in blood, me not too like sometimes, you know.
How do you feel, Jackie?
Because, no, me not, sometimes I want them myself too, because right now I want them by myself.
But let me tell you this.
Mm.
Respect yourself.
Why?
Me loyal to my man, and me no want him brother. Mother stoop so low for day with a brother and then the later next brother.
That's it, no, bro.
We are telling you
Sometimes look sneaky link now killing up, because me pay for that, you know. Come on.
You will pay me for it. You see me look like some look careless loose girl on the road street.
Me tell us you kill this loose girl on the street.
No, but you are talking about pay.
Right. I know only kill this loose girl on the street I don't get money and pay. So wait, the man so understand. Say that with man touch you for free.
Touch you. Try it. Try touch me.
Who, me?
No, try touch me.
Me?
Try touch
Me?
me. Yeah, you.
Me?
Try touch me.
Yeah, boy, like say me can't touch you.
Touch me. As a matter of fact, leave from me gate. Move from me gate.
Yeah, better.
Sorry from me gate. You're over.
Know yourself, man. What's you know? You go on, man. Go on with your good body. Long run, short catch. See you.
Never be. We can't believe it. This little boy really turn up on my door where we are me for me. No, man, I have to call my man. This not safe. Hello. Babe. Listen, I know say me just left from where you did. But me have to talk to you ASAP, like right now, because this more than serious. Yes, come on my yard right now. Me da wait. Alright. Me da downstairs, me not even go up the stairs back. Me da wait for her right just. I know me can't believe to be bad. Say, my man brother, I look me. Like, that little boy that crazy or something wrong with him.
What's up? What's up? Look at the first and down. Level up yourself, man. Wake up and live. Three little birds on the doorstep singing sweet song. What's happened to you? I'm there. I get scared. You're scared? What's wrong with you?
I'm scared of you, man. I am a man.
How wrong with you? What you calling me? Talk to me now.
So where you going so far?
Cause you go say like a merry-go-round, like a daddy. I don't understand what you do. I'm sit down with my little man and go to pay daddy house. Yeah. You started done with it now. Talk to brother somebody when you can't talk to me, no girl. Talk to me, no man. I say you hide. We are hide.
I'm going so far. I'm not hide nothing. Not behave so.
I'm not behave no way, Marika, but you put like your eyes. Talk to me, no man.
Miss you.
I know I miss it too, no baby. But if you understand, say, watch out, man. Don't laugh, man. A serious thing. If you understand, I miss it, but you have to get on the bird. So I really have to take you something now, boy. You call me and take me something to pick up in a camera on the work same way, you know. Let that do here good. What you say?
Just like I said, I miss you. You can't check.
That alone? That doesn't sound right. Sound like you're high school from me, you know. Talk to me. Talk to me now. Like you're high something, man. I can't let alone, man.
Stop doing something.
If I see, if I see me a plan, you know, plan good. And if you sleep on the same side, I'm carry back again. You know, plan good.
What we could have the plans for your brother and your man?
I know, says, probably sitting a girl and come home, I don't know about it. My mind them say something where you want to tell me, you know. But true, you know, I'm dark and ignorant, you don't want to tell me to get rude and mad and crass and ignorant.
You don't want to tell you no. I'm not here, so. Miss you. I got miss you.
You know what I do? Every time I get nice, so I ramp with them man, always have me, you know, want to tell them man about. Talk to me, I'm not get ignorant.
No.
You're sure?
I'm sure.
So what do you say?
We just go up the stairs and come back and I said the African.
I miss it too, but they don't know so I put in work differently. But what you know, one good thing I've won, when I'm not too like, you know, you have to know if people are premium, not to say one man pan every day and say that you know who that. You don't like when they're in someone come on. I don't trust people, I just shut off a dark, you know.
See I look suffer.
I know Mr. No, I look at them boy and come over here, I know I'm going to come over here in the box and I don't know. I don't know.
So we can come back.
Eh? I call and tell you, man. You know, man. Now come with me tell you, you know. No, I mean, now you check me unless me check you. Make me check you first.
I don't like the stand of you depending on brands.
Marika, listen what I say now. If me not work, oh you am. Eh?
So you're going so far.
But you want me sit down with you. You know this a relationship. You not work and me have to work. Oh you don't go. One hand can't clap or two. You know I put on to the table, you know. I'm alone. I'm alone, it's just a pan. Oh you mean suck in the sink, so? How is it like you want? Eh? I said like I might talk your heart.
No. Alright, wait. Because I don't know why I get angry so far. One.
That you say, eh? Should man talk to you for you right. You tell me nonsense. Don't talk to me, so. You know me love you, you know, girl. You put this thing over boundary now, you know. You cross the line, you know. Don't forget about with me, you know.
Oh.
All this what me I say. But don't want to put on me as I feel like. Let me call you. Because bag of people can't do me hard. No, it can't work, so. It can't work, so. And me a red pants and you a red skirt, you go like a young man. And me a the man. You know what, I'm not over here in an argument today, you know. Here, I'm going to come back out this and see over here.
Brad.
I'll go on, Frenny.
Yeah.
Hey there. I'm here alone.
I'm not even going to tell them again. Me over Brad's around 4 days now. You know, so normally I spend short time over there. I'm go over there and I spend one extra day. The man asked me out to do a tell me if I come to me yard.
Really?
And so me I start down business with him.
Who? Then that's not nice. I don't like when I behave. You know, supposed to learn something there. If man must act like man.
Man must stop like, are your cousin still?
Exactly, yeah, my cousin, but
I talk to him.
remember saying, you know, woman to woman, you know, I know right from wrong, you know. I'm who do want
Me not like to see no woman at all. I go through the kind of problem there. You understand? That just him just insecure, womanizer mother call it. Him not have no respect for you. Yeah. And most of all toxic. Me not like that. So
when me dey go over now, come here and turn up like a that, and then he said me must get my bag and something. I fi go. When me go over, no fear dirty cousin turn up on me step. That a dirty maga one.
Travis.
Yes. He said one. Baby. And one say me like, me say, why you going with your son? The boy come at me and come look me, you know, Pinky. And I tell me I want me and I tell me I'm sexy as you know. Me have to end up boxing me in the face, you know.
and he know say
Me and him
and
brother.
you and him brother there and him mother there something there. That is the problem with Travis, you know. Travis want to snitch all the females that him brother there have.
But that not
Me
nice.
always realize, and then you know what you do, it will cause a fiction. He always do that. And that not nice for true. Me go talk to him, you know.
You
And
need
I
to
go say-
talk to him
and I go
because
say,
me a
Travis,
wrong girl.
So when I see people relationship, leave it alone. So when I see your family, them woman, leave them alone.
Exactly.
Leave them alone. I mean, you see him going like, he might idiot, he might idiot, you know. He might idiot, you know. He has sense.
Me know what I do.
Yeah, exactly.
But him not like people and he not like him brother them. That's none of my business if you not like him brother them. So true you not like your brother them, you like your brother them, woman.
Well, several brothers, several different minds. So you just always have to have one way get trouble, one way calm, and one way a nerd. Yes. Junkie.
Junkie, and fool.
But anyways, me I go talk to them. But me have to talk to
them,
me have to
man.
talk to your man first because him now move like he have sense.
So I'm gonna call him over here since night before you come. And I talk to him. He man rush me up and I pint up in my face, you know.
Him not such a door. Come
No,
no
you
support
not touch
no
me.
man will lick woman enough. Me
Almost
will
lick
lick
me,
them
though,
back
man.
in. Huh?
Almost lick me.
No man. This gone bad. This really gone bad. But anyways, me just want to know say you're good. Differently from that.
Good man.
So you know say me come check you back tomorrow. Cause right now I'm not tell no lie girl. I meet somebody a while ago and I didn't have 2 drinks. And my head. I said, "True, me not used to the rum. My head feel like it has been like me as it's 2 right now. So I just want to go be
To
there.
me, I wanna be there some
Me know say I want to your
drink
girl,
come.
but yes, you wanna you know.
It's so fast.
Alright, so later here. And take care of yourself.
You too, me girl.
Yeah, man.
Yeah! Rastafari. Last year, like, and thunder, far from parasite and hear them. Last year! Black soon get taller. You know what I mean? Yes, I. What did you see? What go on, cuz? You alright? How long me not see you? What's going on now? Why can't I just fly down from foreign?
Let me tell you, so when I see me, you know, see something up to you know.
Where you up to now?
You understand?
And what kind of man problem you have?
You know, what kind of man problem you have?
Mm-hmm.
Eh? You don't have no sense. And that's why I'm there, so no.
Why? A good news you come to tell me? You
No,
win the
no
lottery?
good, no good news or bad news.
Boy, you know me a trouble and a friend, you know. I don't
That's
like
one
trouble.
question.
Yes.
When a mother did grow you,
Mm-hmm.
she did grow you as a idiot.
No, you don't have sense. 6 senses.
Oh, she did grow you as a womanizer.
A man, not
as
a womanizer.
clown,
I'm a man. I'm strictly man.
No man must act like man, and you're no man
So-
cannot act like a man.
What happened? What
Yeah,
I don't
boy.
know.
Your woman, tell me, say, your brother, which is Dirty Bulby, a violator. What your brother
What
feel
you
look your
mean?
woman? Eh? No,
Bulby. My brother. No, man. You sure? You hear good? No, some non a liar tell. Probably a liar tell pan Bulby, you know, you're not hear the conversation right or something. You're not hear right, man. Cause Bulby don't do a thing like that, you know. I know
You
Bulby a
see,
who.
three brother own is a set of crosses. You know, my cousin, but it's a set of crosses.
America. You don't know about this.
Oh, Bulby. Oh, you know about it?
No, sir. I force me to hear this.
You
Right now, I'm
see,
shocked.
that boy don't have no sense. Next thing, you go warn him and tell him, say, just keep away from the girl. And you see the other thing me come about too? That could have stayed for last, you know.
Jesus.
But you see when me come about right now, stop treat the girl like a trash. Because you don't want nobody to treat me as a cousin as no trash.
That's what I'm saying now.
Or
you know.
your sister, them, you don't want nobody to
That's what
treat
I'm
them
saying.
as trash.
You know my condition already. You know, so me a stepper. Me a bad foot. You understand? Me bust boy head. So right now, sometimes I can't take them people on my foot sometimes. Sometimes I want free, like a bird in the sky. You understand? I want to make 2 steps sometimes. I can't make 2 steps. Say, car. She give my foot like a ladder bag, bunched up my foot. What am I do?
You know what God do with people like I want to slow no down.
Slow down what?
When you not move too speedy, God
I know
slow no
speedy.
down.
Me have to go for the cheddar.
You have to go to the cheddar.
Go for the cheddar.
Yeah,
I go through the cheddar. Go for the cheddar.
You have to,
Sure, you better allow me alone, yeah, man. But
Me
boy,
say-
Bulby, me go see my page, me now.
and that's what they worry about. Treat the girl with respect and stop from angle the girl. Him come here say I want little girl. Sheila.
And she a call you?
Sheila.
And she a call you? Marika?
Marika now call me.
Oh.
Stop treat the girl like
Me
a
not
trash.
treat her, you know me love her. Me just simply tell her, say, what you know, you go up in place, I go on normal until me do me I do. Me call her back. She want to be in my yard 24/7. Me tell her, say, matter every 3 days, you want to stay there for 4 days, that's not right.
That's not right.
No.
So you're a woman.
I'm a woman, it's something I want
So you're a
free.
woman. You know, some realize last time with you. Yeah, when they come go tell me to go home. Now check me if me not check you.
Yes, not check me if you not, if me don't check me if me not check you, which is right.
Which is right.
Yes.
Eh? Only your best friend know your secret. And you see where the writer so now me just sneak up on you and you not even know somebody back of you. You see it is a pamper bad man. One thing you know enough. I go see the boy the Bulby.
But
And
sister,
start treat the
but
woman.
cause member say, what you know, member say no, you know everything will go on in my yard, you know if me around there somebody, you know if you come up there and look for me, around there somebody, you go on like say, you know you run already man, and you alone can come there and look for me and find me certain place, you know. Which stranger can do that? Eh? Have sense no man.
You see your head? Eh?
What me head look?
Eh? Me sure know say
Me a cousin
girl
and
want.
sister when you can't do my head.
Me sure know
Eh?
say a girl want to be here. And you not allow her to be
Sure.
here. You don't want the girl check you. You want to check the girl. And if the girl says she miss you, you're gone for a different
You know something
speed.
like when you nosy, come like you nosy Rosie now. You turn nosy Rosie for me,
You
you know.
never know.
Man!
You never
How
know.
say they come here?
I will send me come on. Eh?
I will. You know when they cross is find me, you know, man. Yo.
I'm gonna get my push him off over there.
I say I can't see me, I'm going to bury me, drop over there, so, you know. A bag of things are going on there, so for me there.
One, your brother. I'm gonna look for him too.
Nobody bust him face, do. Let me do it. I'm going to show that boy Bulby something. Kind of here. Eh? Look at him, Bulby no ugly. Eh? She not flat in her face. As he walk out, so he can get a girl. He just fool. Eh? Every time take you look money I spend for a girl. Look money we I spend too. That's how me roll. Me a gangster. Me get every girl I want. But come me dress. I'm go boy man. Don't see man give my face. I'm pay me like that you know. More things I hide for money now.
Anyway, thing.
You drink up, sir.
No, man, I drink nothing yet. Man, let me see where I come from.
Up here. So how you look, sir? As man, how you look, sir, my youth?
No, you are going now. You're my little brother, Rachel. You know what I mean? You're respectable and I have something, you know?
So where you come
And,
from? Go on.
yeah, you know, this man say, if you listen here, you know. But if you like
But
it,
2 years talk, my youth, me eager to hear everybody, man. Just get to the point, now, man.
this man go to my crate. So, me know a situation where me I look some, if me forget one check from them people who fire me.
Hotel.
No, that one, like, I'm on the burn up long time, man. Drink out, man. Alright, so, me forget
So
one
you
check.
tell me, say, you're going to make me get something out of it. You really drink out there and give me all that and me thinking I get it.
Yeah, me go down there for buy one some rum and me want bill and me never know say bill when due at that time, because you know there are sections. So when I say, me forget one check and no money.
Yeah, give me something out of that check.
Yeah, listen nice. Huh? Oh, God.
Now go on.
Good time, man, good time. May I tell you something, man, borrow one come money and thing, but you know, it's possible.
Come like all you drunk already. Now where I come from?
I mean, yard, man.
Eh? Every day I get to buy a drink, I want to your man. You know, say, nah, listen, we're going to kill you, you know.
You want to kill him?
Bulby, my brother, me tell you something.
No, wait there. No, I don't like the approach, my brother. You come here, the G, and you never say nothing to me, and you want to chat with me.
You saw me, I say, yo, right now.
Hold on. Guys, look, I even check one check, I'm trying to me. So, me, I say, you don't have it or not have it?
So, that, let me ask you one question.
Yes, sir.
So, where you really come from? You?
I borrow one money until you check fast and check
Yeah,
clear,
I don't have that money there, because you owe me more money.
Yo, father, I should get back to the point now, yeah?
It's fine.
Yeah, sir.
What time you say about me? I stay far from my woman.
Huh?
You hear me tell about me and brother. Brother, you come like say, you want to live in my style. And my style, I want to live off of.
What you talking?
Brother, go look at woman style. You see me woman, brother, leave my woman alone.
You know, man,
I want to get a junkie rasta one too much. You can
No,
brother, get the drink from yo, move fast.
Go on.
Yo, brother, this one I said now, you just get a look, you look brother, just pinch me and tell me say bad man, you go off of my woman, brother. When me not there, me they got me hard in the bulby.
No, you know,
I mean a brother in the man youth. Brother, when look at woman in the bad man, I put talk to woman in the brother. I can't see that style at bulby. I can't style that, bro. You don't know?
I don't know what talk about. I will tell her this.
Tell me now.
I will tell her this.
Who tell me this? Me can't tell me, can't like a secret, brother.
I will tell her
Me
this.
can't tell you that. Oh, you mean nothing go sir?
You go, sir.
Brother,
Yo, I'm money I defend in brother. That's about my life in brother. You want to mash my life in brother. You mean like tell you, bad man, listen to me as a brother. Me don't want you to come cross and come talk to me man straight away, brother. When you see me woman on the right, I take it left. Cause me don't want make no woman make me and my brother them mash up in the brother. I don't want to come between me and brother them, but me I say this not right.
Brother, you believe in brother?
But don't do it again, but me tell you,
Brother, you
the
believe
first
in
and the last.
you're one of bad man.
I badness I want to push. Because now I idiot, you're drunk and you're a fool, you know. Girl idiot, you know. You hear? Drunk and girl idiot. With money. Boy, take a walk, you know.
You know that me do? Sit to me, I beg you. Feel free.
Leave a medicine.
Me I say something to you. Because Jessica, tell me what to tell you.
Jessica tell you this, you know.
I take me, man. I do. I do it for you.
If you take Jessica, you know, see your woman. Idiot.
No, I see. I do.
No, brother, so I can meet everybody else and meet trouble, woman. Don't make half of my name. I'm alone there on earth.
I think the phone and I'm not sure I'm but I used to think I'm video that place. When they come out, I picture right side. You have money for them, I have money for them.
Look at me, check me.
You're gonna go. I want to come on and check for you.
Check me, look at what I say.
Alright, check it.
Boy, look at what I check already. Say you have check me, me check you.
No, just say.
Me check you.
Alright, you ready? Let's do that. See? But me, you never see me. See?
Me, I look to see you.
You never see me.
Go on there, I go to the you.
Everybody with me. Someday.
Let's see how go on now, babes.
Yeah, sure. I'm gonna put some food. You alright? Sit down. Let's see the chair. I'm there. I'll put some food and some man stir up the place. You know, if you make a husband or you can behave. So, what I want?
Mr. Girl, I come over here to talk to you about something. I'm not giving up to say to you. No,
I want to know.
to tell you.
What you talking about? I want to know. Am I man?
Oh, they talk about your junkie.
Yeah, alright, nobody remind me. Alright. What could you talk about?
I'm not asking a question before we get to your one point. What do you think about Travis?
I don't even know if think about a boy, you know. Because I one piece of crosses, you know. You see, Trim knows that my man love drink. And him always drunk. More time he come here, every minute he just pop up. He might talk to me on my side. He might tell me about how him like me and my shit good on a long time. Look at him, at this moment, me confused.
So you tell me, say, Travis I look you too?
Yeah, what do you mean he might look me too? I look you?
Of course, because he you know, so last night I have to back to me in the face. Because the boy turn up on me gate. When me enter in and I tell me oh me look good, how me sexy, how my body this and my body that. Eh? And he, like he forgot to me and brother woman.
He don't
like
care.
He feels me single.
Him know but him don't care. Me not tell you say last night him come here too. When my man lying here so sick, I come in jump like that, you know.
How are you do?
Me in the kitchen and I just see something just see someone just when me look at it, me say we are do we and then the man did just there so I cuss. But the whole situation I say see man on camera and him know say me and him there. I don't want to go so much trouble, no say my name right man. Me no bother pay man. So I say to him say where you come about if him have to ask me to come and brother please.
I would run him out of family, you know, but you know what the thing is? Last night after I left my car Brads. We did not tell Brads, you know. But then me remember say him head no good. And then how him have a little piece of pipe. And he well want shoot somebody, because each time he go to shoot somebody he miss, because I'm not straight. And somebody else have to go connect your field. And I know say, from the years when brother trouble me, I know that they're going to go miss.
Why I don't know what wrong with Travis.
It's I go straight.
Me telling you, I say stop them, stop me there. That is what me even talk to my man about the situation with the three of them. And I say, well, we can't live food. But me see why them can't live food. Because you see this a Travis
Let me tell you something. One a bad man, one a idiot, and one a junkie.
Girl, me never sung a song to disrespect a man.
But if a junkie and I like say a lie, him a what?
I'm worried said, I got change. Just so seem change.
Which person I change? If you are Christian and they go to church and I invite him every Saturday, and he now get up one day and come all the place and get up and go around bar, your face ain't go change? Hold on. Yeah, babe. You know somebody, me the over your brother woman, the junkie man. Yeah. You like close? Alright then, come then no. Me over there, so just come.
Alright. Tell you something. Stop telling people about the junkie one.
Everybody
man
knows
have
your
you.
man drunk.
So stop talking about junk. Hey, look here. Don't make me have now. Make peace real.
So the part soon done?
Yeah, I talk about that. I forgot to look on my pocket. It's soon gone. Give me a minute.
Alright. Yeah? Mr. Clark. Oi! Yeah?
Girl, we haven't had tea time before.
Open the door.
Girl, you don't hear your man knock. You're not going to open the door.
Miss, can open the door now?
No, yeah, man. You go open it.
So we have a big sofa. We have a big sofa.
What you mean, eh?
What?
Yo, you don't like what I'm going on now. I'm going to tell you that, you know.
What you talk about?
So me come here vex and ignorant like a bull cow.
What you want to suffer?
What problem?
So what you shit like that?
Let me tell you something now, yeah? Let me tell you something now, you know. When I see what the problem, you know, I don't want to have a problem, you know. Still the people relationship.
Run that kitchen and area and build there. I say make him build there good and down there beat you.
Me not beat, listen me I say, me not beat to man, only beat to man in a bed. When you talk about beat to man, eh?
So what do you man? Him hire something?
I don't know what to
If you
do.
like a high, me high. A dark across and ignorant right, you know, long me shut a boy. Eh? Anytime shut a boy. Eh? Yo.
What happened with that? So I said somebody, what happened now, bro?
Me don't understand what going on between you and Travis, you know.
Boy, come on them triple A drama them.
Me don't know what going on
Yeah,
with
yeah,
you
what
and
you
my brother Travis, you know.
Me and Travis don't know dealings. When you talk about, you don't know what about me and Travis. Me don't understand.
What me tell you say?
Something not going on, you know.
Last night.
Something not going on. Sitting up in the corner and growing a cribs and call me. I understand.
Hello, you
Me if you hear right thing what going on right now.
Alright. Last night when we go home, your brother did there me doorway. And then when we reach there, he was saying want me and something.
What?
Yes. And that's nobody sexy and all these things.
Me say.
But me box him in the face and run him away.
So why you never call me and tell me?
Me did alright.
Eh?
Listen up, that's why me call her. So
That's how you do it?
That's why me call you.
Sorry, I'm on the car.
Me call her last night to tell her about when I come.
America, I don't play games, you know. That means I whole person will have more than time, you know what going on.
Nothing no happen. When you have here suffer, nothing no happen.
When you go and pick up something, you know something to pick up sauce.
When you so?
You don't know what him so? Remember last time I go up there? Eh? You don't remember? You don't remember when you pick up sauce?
You see a woman
Eh? See that boy? I see me hold him. I feel it.
So what I say your brother?
Can I ask you a question? So you kill your brother just because him sick in him upstairs and look the whole line brother woman
When
them?
he's sick in here upstairs, you go stay for upstairs or downstairs. Watch me and him.
Already.
I'm busting your head for you. Just watch.
No, I throw this. Look here now, you pick up madman and you talk about my junk man.
Junkie.
You not go check, you not go fear man. Afraid of what?
I'm not saying lick me, but I'm just afraid because we don't want thing go grab me.
Girl, go and go try control your man before we somewhere enough to do. What do you mean by afraid?
If you say go to school,
Go. You know, see, body the rage when they fought your inner. Oh, Father God. I want me really pick up on my face when it's across his family here with 3 brothers when I'm not saying, my father, I cook my food.
What's up, you know? Wait, me, I'm telling you, Travis, what you do?
Right, like,
Where you do, Travis? Travis, where you do?
There's no artist.
Travis, where you do, Travis? You don't talk to me too loud, you know, I'm one fanboy, I'm boss head.
To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?